Welcome back to another fascinating video in Microsoft Word. In this video, we are going to create nested bullet and number lists in Microsoft Word. So keep watching the video till to the end. If you are new here in this channel, please subscribe and smash the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, I will create a normal bullet list. I will type some items here. In order to create bullet list, we will select all the items. Selecting bullets from here, our list is ready. Now we will create a nested bullet list. I will create a sub items of highlighted items. The process is very simple. Just place the cursor at the beginning and press tab. Now we will create a nested number list. The process is same. So let's move to create nested number list. Selecting all the items, select number here. Our number list is ready. Now we will create nested number list. So in order to create number list, we will place our cursor at the beginning of the line and we'll press tab. I have made fruits as a sub part of vegetable, which is not correct. So to reverse this process, I will press Shift Tab. It will turn the sub point to main point, making apple, banana, and cherry as a sub point of fruits. We will place the cursor at the beginning of the line and will press tab. So that is how we can create nested bullet and number list. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share to others. In the next video, I will be exploring some more tips and tricks in Microsoft Word. Till then, take care.